Hello Xerxes, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, representing a personal video for you for this beautiful 2012 Toyota Highlander. This is the model limited, 165,941 kilometers, and the price is $20,888. This vehicle is fully safety certified. You have no worries whatsoever what needs to be done, so we take care of everything here. So it's black and black, as a model set limited, comes with everything. Illuminate on the doors, and it's clean. Brand new tires, rim is clean, and the most important right now is it's available at this time. If you want to come and take a look, please give me a call. We set an appointment for you to take a look. We keep the vehicles inside the showroom, so these vehicles, they don't go outside, and keeping them nice and clean. So please, I'm here today until 7 p.m. If you have some time, just let me know, and we take care. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us, and I'll see you here.